Hello there, this is Micah, and this is the weekly Forex market forecast or update. And we're going to be looking at the AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, and the CHF JPY currency pairs. But before we get started, let's take a look at our product, the Micah Premium Forex Signal Service that goes for $200 monthly. This premium Forex signal service will take your trading to the highest level. Yes, the highest level. You heard me right. The highest level. The value we provide is much more than the amount to charge for it. And you can check this. You can check this YouTube channel to see the review of our premium Forex signal service, and you can see for yourself how profitable it has been. Now, to reach out to me to join us, my contact is in the description below. My direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, right? And let's talk about you coming on board. Yes, so that is the premium Forex signal service of Micron. Now for AUD CAD, what are we looking at going into the new week? AUD CAD has come into this 0.90996 zone. So what should we expect? You can see that from the previous prediction, I expected that if the market comes into the zone, we might see the market come into this 0.90448 zone. And I still hold that prediction. I still hold that sentiment of the market. If we see the market, give us a bearish day close below the 0.90996 area, then we might see the market come as low as the 0.90448 area. Now, if we see price pushes high, or if we see price pushes high as the 0.91, from this point, we see price pushing to the 0.91322 area and gives us a bearish day close below that zone. Then we might see price push into the 0.90996 area, or even as much as the 0.90448 area. So these are my predictions for the AUD CAD currency pair going into the new week. Now for AUD CHF, where we see that we have several predictions for AUD CHF, which includes that if the market falls into the 0.58637 zone, then we should expect a bullish move. If the market comes into the 0.61598 zone, we should expect a bearish move. Or if it pushes into the 0.62226 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, we should expect a bearish move rather. Now, so since the market is coming closer into this the 0.61598 zone, so we expect that if the market comes into that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should see a bearish move, right? And because this is a bearish market, the AUD CHF has been a bearish market, and this move into that zone might just be a deep retracement for it to continue to the downside. Who knows that, right? But it's a possibility that is the case. So if we see the market push into that zone, into that 0.61598 zone, and gives us a bearish day close, then we can expect a sell-off. But if we see price move from where it currently is right now, and pushes down into the 0.58637 zone, then we should expect a bullish move. But I would not, advise that you stay too much in the bullish move, because this is a very bearish market and you don't want to overstay your welcome. So maybe you want to go as high as this previous weeks right here. Yeah, this week. I'm talking about this week and this one's right here. You see a couple of rejections right there, so maybe that's enough for that's the 0.59196 according to my chart. That's a good one. You shouldn't expect anything huge from the bullish move right now because the market is on a bearish momentum. I know you can see this bullish move that has been on for some weeks. Yeah, I know that, but hey, don't expect too much from that. Don't expect too much from that. Now let's go into the Audjpy currency pair. Let's start from the weekly. Now for Audjpy, we've seen that the market is a very bullish market. So what should you expect going forward? Now going forward, let's move down to the weekly. Going into the new week, what I would expect, like I've already pointed out here in previous weeks analysis, that if we get the market come into this 104.319 zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect a bearish move into the 102.794 zone. And the reason is simple. It's a rejection. The market has been bullish for a while. Bears might have one or two things to pick up, to take out of the market, but of course we shouldn't expect too much since it's a very bullish market, right? It's a very bullish market and we shouldn't expect too much. So that's what I'll be looking at. And even before, and you might not even wait for the market to get into those 102.794 zone before taking your profits, because it's a very bullish market. So you might want to take your profits long before that time to avoid losing the profits already made from the market. Now, what if price comes from here down into the zone? Well, if price comes into the 100.38 zone, which I doubt it would do that in this new week. I doubt it will do that this new week because that's some huge distance. But if it does that, then I would expect, and if it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would expect that we should, wait for the market, or I would expect rather that we should, look out for bullish moves in the market, since this is a very bullish momentum. The market is on a very bullish momentum. I would expect that we look out for bullish moves in the market that might even break the previous highs of the market. And that's that for Audjpy. So let's move into Chfjpy. Now for Chfjpy, the prediction is very simple because there isn't much to look out for, considering the fact that we don't have so much zones, to chart. We don't have so much zones to look out for right now. So what should we be looking out for Chfjpy? Now for Chfjpy, if we see price come into the 170.138 zone and give us a bullish day close above, then buy. That's it. If we see price come into that zone and give us a bullish day close above that zone, then we should look out for buys rather. We should be on the lookout for buys, and if it meets your confirmation, you can get in for a buy for Chfjpy. That's the only thing that we can look out for Chfjpy for now. So let's take a look at our product again, the Premium Forex Signal Service. Right here on the YouTube channel, we give predictions. We give predictions of what we expect the market to do, but in the Premium Forex Signal Service, we give precise price entries and profit targets, what you should precisely trade. That is what we offer in the Premium Forex Signal Service, not just predictions and analysis like we do on the weekly Forex Signal Service, but we do details. We put in the details, we put in all the precision, every detail that you need to get into a trade and to be profitable. That's all we do. That's what we do on the premium Forex signal service. So with $200 you can join us to profit massively from what we do. Thanks for watching.